Hello, and welcome back to the Burdu.id channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to create WhatsApp message templates that you can send directly to your customers. This WhatsApp template app also helps you track follow-ups, so you can instantly see whether a customer has already been contacted or not. This makes the admin's workflow much more efficient. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click the like button below and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. From your Burdu's website dashboard, go to Apps and search for WhatsApp template. Each WhatsApp template consists of two main elements: name and template. The content of the template is the message that will be sent to your customer. In this example, you can see that we already have two templates created earlier. Inside the template body, you can use available variables, such as order price, order link, shipping method, tracking code, and more. Please note that these variables only work for orders. If you try to use them on customer pages or data forms, the variables will not be rendered. Now let's create a new template. For example, we'll name it Payment Received. In the template section, you can write the message you want to send or any information you'd like to share with your customer. Before clicking Save, scroll down and take a look at the WhatsApp icon color. If the icon background is colored, it means the order has not been followed up yet. If the background turns white, it means the order has already been followed up via WhatsApp. If you want to use WhatsApp on your desktop, make sure to download the WhatsApp application using the link provided here. Once everything is set, click Save. Now open a new tab and go back to your Burdu website dashboard, then navigate to Orders. You'll see a WhatsApp button here. If the WhatsApp button doesn't appear, go to the Columns menu, then click Add New Column and look for WhatsApp template. Select this one. When you click it, a menu will open, allowing you to select which template you want to send. All variables inside the template will automatically adjust based on the selected order. For example, let's send the payment received message. Click Send, and you'll be redirected to WhatsApp on your computer. After the message is sent, the icon color will change, indicating that this order has been followed up. What if you need to follow up multiple times for a single order? It can be inefficient to keep clicking the same button and manually selecting templates. It also makes tracking harder, since the icon color would already be changed. The solution is to create multiple WhatsApp template buttons, each with a specific purpose. First, let's simplify the table view by opening column settings in the top right corner. We'll hide some columns to make the layout cleaner. This step is optional and just for demonstration. Now, let's add another WhatsApp template button. Edit the first WhatsApp button. Select the Order Invoice template, or you can also use any other WhatsApp templates that you've already created before. Choose whether the message is sent via WhatsApp Web or WhatsApp Desktop app. If you choose the app, make sure it's installed on your computer. Next, edit the second button. Select another template, such as Payment Reminder template. Change the button color and icon so it's easy to distinguish from other buttons. If you have 3 templates, simply add a third WhatsApp button. Just like before, select the template you want to use. Let's also change the icon and the button color so it's easier to differentiate and avoid confusion. Then choose the sending method as well. Now we have 3 WhatsApp buttons, each with a different template. The first button is used to send the order invoice template. The second button is for sending the payment reminder template, and the third button is used to send the payment received template. Each button now has a specific template, a unique icon, a unique color. You can add more buttons or remove existing ones if needed. Just adjust everything based on your workflow and business needs. This way, when a button is clicked, the correct template is automatically selected. When you click the Invoice Order button and send the message, only that button's icon color changes. This indicates that the invoice has been followed up. Other buttons remain unchanged until they are used. Once you send another template, such as Payment Received, its icon will change as well. You can also create a WhatsApp template specifically for abandoned checkouts. The setup is exactly the same. Add a WhatsApp template button. Choose the appropriate template. Customize the icon and color. When the message is sent, the icon color changes, indicating the follow-up has been done. If the customer later completes the checkout, it becomes a new order. When you open that new order, you'll notice that the Invoice Order WhatsApp button is already marked as followed up, because the message was previously sent during the abandoned checkout stage. Other WhatsApp buttons remain unchanged. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to Burdoo for more website tutorials like this. Follow Burdoo on social media for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.